This is for the burnt out girlies who are ready to reclaim their peace. You might be wondering, why does it even matter if I take a break? And I'm here to tell you that. Taking breaks is vital for anyone, no matter how efficient, high energy you have. Taking a break, especially for women, is essential. Taking the break in itself, number one, prevents the burnout. If you notice, I talk about bouncing back from burnout, preventing burnout, or how to recover from burnout because I notice an influx of women experiencing that, especially post pandemic era. A lot of women, and this may even be you, haven't really found their groove back in life yet, and it's causing them to feel burnt out, expectations, new norms, things in life. If you're a single mother, you might have everything on your plate. You might be married and have everything on your plate. So I am encouraging you to take your break because it's going to prevent actual burnout. Even if you feel good, don't wait until you feel bad to take the break. Take the break even when you still feel good. Number two, taking breaks is a practice of self love, self nourishing, self nurturing. You are sending vibrations to the universe that you love yourself enough that you're not going to push past your boundaries. This is a solid thing you must continuously practice within yourself. Because if your energy and your body notices, oh, she doesn't care about our energy levels, she doesn't care about taking care of us, you'll start attracting things that start pushing you past your boundaries. Then you start feeling burnt out and resentful. And I don't want that for you. You deserve the best. You deserve to feel taken care of. And that has to start with you taking breaks for yourself. Number three, why breaks are so important is this keeps your joy and passion alive. In a previous video in this series, I told you about signs of burnout and how it can be you lose your joy for the things you love to do. Well, when you take your breaks with them, you keep the love alive. So I noticed when I started knitting, I would like knit, but then I couldn't really stop because once I'm in the mode, I'm in the mode. But then it started to make me not like it too much anymore. So now I take my break before I'm tired of it or frustrated because I've been doing it for so long. So I encourage you to make time for those passions, but also take breaks in those as well. And if you're ready to bounce back from burnout for good, go ahead and take my class, Bounce Back from Burnout. You know where to find it, you know where to click, and you'll also get the most wonderful digital bundle that's going to help you meet your health and wellness goals, which is fitness, clean eating. I'm going to show you how to stay motivated and be motivated, as well as organize your life for success. Doesn't that sound amazing? Make sure, stay lipstick on my teeth. Make sure you are following the 90-day Well Nourished Era Series, where I'm teaching you life organization, wellness organization, mental organization, as well as self love, how to practice divine feminine energy, and how to be a well nourished woman.